full terms, visit mcdonalds.com.au.
Velocity members save up to 40% off selected products and snooze today.
Ends October 22. For full terms, visit mcdonalds.com.au.
Velocity members save up to 40% off selected products and snooze.
For the last week or more in Sydney and beyond Sydney. Her dad Matthew will be joining.
Yeah, you won't catch me dead doing that.
Yeah, but what is this person doing?
Oh my god!
Jesus.
I have it meaning to run spin right on it. This is the most recent drive to die. It's a 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda hard drive. Something about it my system doesn't like, and so I'll run spin right when I want the.
Suffering your jocks.
What was the situation then? What's happening there?
Okay, well, I think about this every single time. I just wonder why, when one sits down to defecate, you would normally urinate, then you would defecate, and then you urinate again. And my question is, why isn't the bladder emptied on the first piss, and is there a physiological purpose behind the second piss?
Oh, nice. No, that don't look good. Yeah, that don't look good at all. What the hell?
You can't park here!
Oh, fuck.
wondered what that noise was. I was like, what the hell's that noise?
A few moments later.
This guy's going to be performing at the NRL Grand Final with his with girls. Playing in full next on Brisbane's #1 hit music station. This is the big Gary and Tommy.
You fucking donkey!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
You know, I'm not the kind of Aussie guy to be stuck behind a desk. I'd rather be stuck behind the wheel of a truck, because a truckie's life is best.
I've got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's my truck.
He's got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's his truck.
My truck's got big wheels, lots of big wheels, they're bloody huge wheels, it's got big wheels.
He's got big wheels, lots of big wheels, they're bloody huge wheels, he's got big wheels.
My rig's a big rig, it's a huge rig, it's a large rig, my rig's big.
He's got a big rig, it's a huge rig, it's a large rig, his rig's big.
You know, the thing I really like about being a truckie is the freedom. Just so long as you go where you're told, get there on time, and pay your 36 grand to the finance company, you're a free man.
I've got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's my truck.
He's got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's his truck.
It's got a big donk, got a bloody large donk, it's got a huge donk, a bloody big donk.
He's got a small donk, it's a tiny donk, it's a little wee donk, it's a puny donk.
I've got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's a bloody big truck.
From midday Saturday.
I did, yes. When I first met him, I actually hadn't seen any of his movies. But I reckon this is going to be the start of a great relationship. How do I know you from something? Well, you can ask him because he loves, obviously, the Bourne films as well. Yeah. And
the rest of it?
Interested to know if there's another
Never